Ever felt lost in a conversation with someone younger, wondering if they're speaking a different language? Or seen words like simp or no cap on social media and thought, what does that even mean? If you've ever felt like Generation Z is speaking in code, then this video is exactly what you need. In this video, we're breaking down the most essential Gen Z slang words you need to know to stay in the loop. These words are more than just trends. They're a way for Gen Z to express themselves in a unique, often playful way. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be decoding Gen Z lingo like a pro. Are you ready? Let's start. First expression, simp. Ever notice someone who goes out of their way to impress someone they like? That's what simp means. For example, he's such a simp for her. He always buys her things just to make her happy. Now, simp is all about showing extreme support, which leads us to our next term. One that's about keeping things real. No cap. No cap means being completely honest. For example, that concert was the best one I've ever been to. No cap. Just like no cap is about being genuine, there's another term that's all about showing off in a fun and stylish way. Flex. To flex means to show off something cool. For example, he's flexing his new phone on social media. Now, let's move from showing off to something that captures your attention with a bit of shock. Lit. It describes something really exciting or fun. For example, the party last night was so lit, everyone had a blast. And just like lit brings energy, there's another term that describes something incredibly cool or impressive. Fire. It is used to describe something exceptionally good. For instance, that new song is fire. I love it. Now, switching from amazing to sharing interesting stories, here's a term for gossip or news. Tea. Tea refers to gossip or juicy details. For example, did you hear the tea about the new movie? It's going to be amazing. Before we dive into the next set of expressions, here's a quick preview. We've got terms that describe excitement, unexpected twists, and even a bit of drama. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss the rest of these fun and useful words. Next expression is basic. Basic describes someone or something that's simple or mainstream. For example, that restaurant is so basic, everyone goes there. Now, just as basic points out the predictable, here's a term for when you're feeling overwhelmed. Stressed. It is used when someone is feeling overwhelmed. For example, I'm so stressed about the final exams coming up. Vibe. Vibe refers to the atmosphere or feeling of a situation. For example, the vibe at the beach was so relaxing. And from feeling the vibe, here's a term for those effortlessly cool, easygoing moments. Chill. Chill describes a relaxed attitude. For example, he's so chill about everything. He never gets worked up. Feeling too chill? Here's a term for when something's unexpected or out of the ordinary. Out of pocket. Out of pocket refers to something unusual or inappropriate. For example, his comments were totally out of pocket. And while out of pocket can be surprising, here's a term for when someone's being overly dramatic. Extra. It describes someone who's going overboard with their behavior. For example, she's so extra with her elaborate party decorations. Low-key. Low-key means something is not obvious or is kept discreet. For example, I'm low-key excited about the surprise party. And now, let's talk about a term that's all about being bold. Savage. Savage describes someone or something that's bold or unapologetic. For instance, her comeback was so savage, it left everyone speechless. Finally, let's wrap up with a term for agreement. Bet. Bet is used to agree with or confirm. For example, want to meet at 6? Bet. And that's a wrap. 15 key Gen Z expressions that will help you navigate their world with ease. So which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.